Welcome, my friends, to a short walk through the QR code field. Location: Marlborough Downs, south of Avebury, England. The ground: chalk and clay. The crop: wheat, healthy, showing no signs of disease. The crop height: 800 millimeters, constant throughout across the field. Size of the QR code pattern: approximately 42 meters by 38 meters. The light brown areas forming the QR code pattern indicates the crop is ready to harvest. The stalks are straight and firm, as if the field had been sprayed off ready. The darker green areas do not look ready to harvest, although the field would have been sown at the same time. Lime colour. This seems to form some of the blocks making up the barcode. I have no explanation for this colour. It does not look to be part of the growing phase of the plants. Divots in the ground, 16 in total, approximately 2 meters long by 750 millimeters wide, all pointing southwest. The crater depth is 500 millimeters. The crop underneath looks to be crushed.